Welcome to 3K Design Solution. In this video, we are going to analyze cantilever beam of uniform section. So first of all, you have to specify the structural, click on structural, then add a beam which is 2 node 188. Then you have to specify the material properties like structural, linear, elastic. We use a structural steel. Here I am putting the Young's modulus, then Poisson ratio 0.3. Okay, then select the section type, means for beam I am selecting the 10 by 10 beam which is in mm. Then for defining the length, we have to create a 2 points. First point is a starting point and second point is a ending point. After creating these 2 points, we have to join these 2 points by a line. Here I am going to line, then select the first point and second point. After the creating line, we have to mesh this line. By clicking on mesh tool, you have to specify the division number, means total length of line is 50, then I have to be divided in 10 parts. Then again you have to mesh the total line. Here is the meshing is complete, and now the timing of applying loads. Define the loads on structural. Then for a displacement, means of starting point, one point is fixed, so I am apply here displacement on key points, because why we are creating key points. So displacement is all degree of freedom. Then I am applying a load on end point, means at the end I am applying the load which is a force on a last key point. As we are seeing that the direction of force is downward, so I am taken here f of y and specify the amount of load, and this is the time of getting solution. Here I am find out the solution. Then you have to find out the deformation of body. Here in a blue line indicates that the beam get deflected, and now the time for find out the results. Results include f of y, means reaction at point A, reaction at point B, then movements. In reaction solution we can see here all the moments and all the forces. It is in a first solution. Now it's in a second solution. First solution is deformation, second solution is what, third solution is nodular solution. In nodular solution we change our format in 3D. Here I am sees that it's an own Mises stresses, and it's in a deformation along x-axis, and you may find out all that along x-axis, along y-axis. Okay, and last is an animation. So guys, I am including all the parameters in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.